Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase marketing reach with Mailchimp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Create Campaign button located at the top right. Select the email option from the drop-down menu. Choose whether you want to send a regular email or an automated one. Fill in the campaign name and click Begin. In the To section, choose the audience you want to reach. You can either select an existing audience or create a new one. In the From section, ensure that your sender name and email address are displayed correctly. Next, move to the subject line. Craft a subject line that is engaging and relevant to your audience. After that, click on Design Email. Select either a pre-built template or start from scratch. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add content blocks as needed. Incorporate images, text, and call-to-action buttons to enhance engagement. Ensure your content is mobile-friendly. Preview your email to check for any errors or design flaws. Next, test your email by sending a test message to yourself. Once satisfied, return to the campaign overview. Set the send time and date in the scheduling section. Review all campaign settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click on Send or Schedule as per your preference. Monitor the campaign performance by revisiting the Campaigns tab after the email is sent. Analyze metrics like open rates and click-through rates to gauge success. Consider making adjustments for future campaigns based on this data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.